Alright, so this is a brief tutorial about coding the Sphero robot for the Oregon Trail. You'll see my pattern here of my code. I have a roll block, then a delay block, then a roll block, then a delay block, and the pattern continues 9 times repeated. So I have 9 of each for all 9 turns. And I'm going through and coding each turn for the Sphero robot 1 turn at a time. So you'll see so far what I have. I'm going to push start. I've coded or attempted to code the first 3 turns. Okay, and you can see I'm now going to stop my program and I'm going to tweak because I can see that the Sphero robot did not quite go where I wanted it to go. It's a little bit off the line. So what I'm going to do is fix my code to get it back on the line. The other thing I want to make sure you understand is that you should try it first without the wagon on and code just the robot. And then once you've got your code down, then you can try it with the wagon on. So that's your little tutorial.